Students, okay, just we'll see the one of the important reaction, aldol condensation reaction. It is important for 2 marks for PU examination or intermediate examination and NEET examination or JEE examination. Here they will ask products, how many types of products are formed. Okay, which product is formed, which is major, which is minor, like that. They will ask one question for the NEET point of view. And sometimes it included in interconversions also for JEE point of view. Okay, we'll see how to find the product by using short trick. We'll see what is the meaning of aldol and what is the condensation, which is a which type of reaction. Okay, this is the one of the best example for addition elimination reaction. Addition and elimination reaction. Okay. Here we see which type of molecules involved in the aldol condensation. First, I will give the one simple statement. The aldehydes are ketones which have alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen. Those only involves in condensation, aldol condensation reaction. And this aldol condensation or ketol condensation is observed in the presence of concentrate base. Concentrate base is nothing but it may be sodium hydroxide, it may be barium hydroxide, okay, it may be potassium hydroxide or any in presence of any concentrated base we observe this aldol condensation reaction. Sometimes this may be observed in presence of sodium ethoxide also. Okay, sodium ethoxide also. Sodium ethoxide or sodium ethoxide. This is also some type of molecules. Okay, this also provide the, this also form the, in presence of this compound also form the carbene ion. And here this aldol condensation proceeds through carbene ion. Okay, some of the important points for the NEET examination purpose. Okay, if you use same aldehydes, we called aldol condensation. If you use different aldehydes, we called crossed aldol condensation. If you use same ketones, we called as ketol condensation. If you use same different ketones, we called as ketol or crossed ketol condensation. Okay, we'll see such type of reactions. First, we'll see the aldol condensation reaction, and then what I say, which have the alpha hydrogen and alpha carbon, those only involved. That means formaldehyde not having the alpha hydrogen. Okay, here benzaldehyde not having the alpha hydrogen. What is the meaning of alpha hydrogen? Alpha carbon, the adjacent carbon to functional group. This is aldehyde. This is the aldehyde functional group. The adjacent carbon to aldehyde functional group we called alpha carbon. This is we called alpha hydrogen. Okay, here only CH1. There is no adjacent carbon is there, but there is no hydrogen. Here also alpha carbon functional group. There is no adjacent carbon. So benzaldehyde and formaldehyde. This is formaldehyde and this is benzaldehyde. Not involved in the aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. Especially acetaldehyde, okay, propanaldehyde, okay, phenyl acetaldehyde. This is phenyl acetaldehyde. Here alpha carbon, here it is alpha carbon, here it is alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen. These molecules involve in aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. And what is the meaning of aldol? Aldol means aldehyde plus alcohol. The molecule which have the aldehyde functional group and alcohol functional group, those are simply considered as a aldols. Those are simply considered as a aldals. Okay, what is the common definition of aldol? Beta hydroxyaldehydes. Beta hydroxyaldehydes. We see in continuation all these. Beta hydroxyaldehydes we called as aldals. Okay, beta hydroxyaldehydes we called as aldals. These beta hydroxyaldehydes lose the water and forms alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes. Alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes. This is we called elimination. And here take 2 moles of aldehydes. Take 2 moles of aldehyde. Both are reacts with each other. Involves in addition reaction with each other. Okay, addition reaction with each other and forms beta hydroxyaldehyde. Beta hydroxyaldehyde lose the water molecule, that means eliminated water molecule, and form the alpha beta unsaturated. First reaction is addition and followed by elimination. In examination point of view, with examination point of view, they may ask aldol condensation process proceeds through A addition, later former addition, later elimination, former elimination, later addition, like that they may ask. Only addition, only elimination, nothing. Okay, they may ask that type of questions. These are the just this is about the aldol condensation, introduction of aldol condensation. Just I am taking 2 examples and I will give mechanism also. Finally, I will give a short trick also. This is the biggest question, this is the biggest topic. Okay, here I am taking 2 moles of aldehydes, CH3, CHO. Okay, in presence of base, both are reacts with each other and forms COH, H, CH2, CHO. This is we called beta hydroxyaldehyde. Beta hydroxyaldehyde. It loses water molecule. Okay, here H, here OH, and forms CH3, CH double bond, CH, CHO. See, this is alpha, this is beta. So alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes. See, this reaction, water eliminated na, elimination reaction. See, these 2 are reacts with each other. That's why it is called addition reaction. Addition followed by elimination. See the mechanism for this reaction. I said it is proceeds through carbon ion. How carbon ion is formed, we will see in continuation. First step 1, sodium hydroxide forms Na plus and OH minus. Here OH minus ion is nucleophile. Just it attacks the base now, it is base. OH minus ion is base. It attacks on alpha hydrogen. Already we know about that one. Alpha hydrogen has acidic in nature. Alpha hydrogen has acidic nature due to the this is attached to see. I am writing here. This is the alpha hydrogen. C double bond OH. Here C double bond O group na. C double bond O means electrophilic center. It attracts the electron from adjacent carbon. Then this carbon attracts the electron from adjacent hydrogen. So it is released in the form of H plus ion. It is released in the form of H plus ion. So alpha hydrogen acidic in nature. Always alpha hydrogen acidic in nature. Okay, here base. Just add this. It attacks here. What do you get? It loses water molecule. Will get CH2 minus CHO. This is we called as carbon ion. This is we called as carbene ion. Okay, and third step, this carbene ion reacts with next mole of aldehyde. CH2 minus CHO. This is which type of addition reaction? Nucleophilic addition reaction. Which type of addition reaction? Nucleophilic addition reaction and beta elimination. Nucleophilic addition reaction and beta elimination. What do you get here? See, CH3, CO minus, here H, and here CH2, CHO. This is reacts with water. Water releasing that reacts with water and forms CH3, COH, H, CH2, CHO. Okay, it lose water. By continuation heating of this one, it lose water. This is elimination. This is beta elimination. This is nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, it lose water. What will get? CH3, CH, double bond CH, CHO. Alpha, beta, unsaturated aldehydes or ketones. Aldehydes are formed. This is we called aldol condensation reaction. Okay, we'll see here crossed aldol. After that, we'll see the shortcut. Short trick. Okay, here crossed aldol. Cross means two different. Okay, here I am taking formaldehyde and here acetaldehyde. One had, I said at least one aldehyde. At least one aldehyde should have the alpha hydrogen. That means this only lose. Here first it only interact with the base. In presence of base, what will be? H, C, OH, here H, and here CH2, CHO. We'll get this molecule. It lose water. Here H, we'll get CH2 double bond, CH, CHO. We called acrylaldehyde. This is we called acrylaldehyde. This is crossed aldol product. And one more thing, just I wanted to do the one important thing. Here number of products formed in aldol condensation, not only aldol, ketone condensation also, directly proportional to the number of types of alpha hydrogens. Suppose for example, two different alpha hydrogens are there. We'll get two types of molecule. Here one different, only it has only one alpha hydrogen, so we get only one type. Two different hydrogens are there, forms two compounds. Three different hydrogens are there, forms three compounds like that. Different molecules will form different. See, here I am taking one simple CH3 CHO plus CH3 CHO. I am telling you a short trick. These two are reacting with each other in the presence of base. Final product, I will give you final product, last product. See, CH2 may be written like this now, like this. It lose water molecule like this. That's all. CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CHO. This is the product only. For example, this is the reactants to products. Shortcut. But if they ask product, if they ask reactants, that means remove this double bond. Here add oxygen, here add hydrogen. One side add oxygen, one side add hydrogen. Suppose examination point of view, they may ask one question: CH3 double bond. Okay, CHO. Okay, this compound is there. The name of this compound is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is a butanol. 3-methyl, 2-butanol. If this compound is there, what are the reactants involved in? What are the reactants involved? Just remove double bond here. Here at oxygen, here at hydrogen. That means acetaldehyde and acetone. Acetaldehyde and acetone. You take any reaction, will get same the product. See, CH3, C double bond O, CH3 plus CH2, CH2, CHO. Lose this molecule, will get that one. Here. This is only short trick from reactants to reactants to products to reactants. This is the easy trick. By using that easy trick, we prepare compounds. Here, how many types of alpha hydrogens are there? 1, 2. 2 types of alpha hydrogen means this will get one product, and one more will get. Just I will show CH3, C double bond, C double bond H, CH3, CH3. Sorry. Wait. Just I am writing here. CH3, C double bond O, H, CH2, H, C double bond O, CH3. Like this. What will get? CH3, CH double bond, CH, C double bond O, CH3. Alpha beta unsaturated ketones. This is ketone, this is aldehyde. 2 types of products are formed. Okay, sometimes abnormal products also form. Okay, ketone, acetone involves in the condensation, we get one more product. Acetaldehyde involves in the condensation, one more product. First, here acetaldehyde is carbanion, one product. Here acetone is carbanion, one product. Total 4 products. 2 are the normal products, 2 are the abnormal products. Okay, here number of products is equal to number of types of alpha hydrogen means these two are abnormal products. Total 4 products are formed. Okay, by the cross Lambda, cross ketone, and here next what? Abnormal and normal products. Okay, this is about the just aldol condensation. It is one of the important reaction. Okay, this is a small trick which is present in aldol condensation, and ketone also same as it is. Okay, this is about the aldol condensation. Thank you.